Wait, did you know that 87% of men over 45 are using the wrong tools in their garage? And tool number 23 is so powerful, professional mechanics don't want you to know about it. Listen up, fellas. I've been wrenching since the Carter administration, and what I'm about to show you will change your garage game forever. These aren't your father's rusty old wrenches. These are professional grade, money-saving tools that'll make you the hero of your neighborhood. Whether you're fixing that classic Chevy in the driveway or finally tackling that honey-do list, these 36 tools will save you thousands in mechanic bills. And here's the kicker. They're all on Amazon right now, some at prices so low, I honestly think it's a mistake. Veterans, contractors, and smart DIYers are buying these up faster than beer at a NASCAR race. Stick with me, because tool number 22, number 36. That one's going to blow your mind. Let's dive in. Product number 1, digital torque wrench. This digital torque wrench is a complete game changer for anyone who works on cars, trucks, or heavy equipment. It features an LCD display that shows real-time torque readings in 4 different units: pound-feet, Newton meters, kilogram meters, and inch-pounds. The accuracy is within 2%, which matches what professional NASCAR crews use on race day. It alerts you with both an audible beep and handle vibration when you reach your target torque, preventing over-tightening that strips threads or under-tightening that causes parts to fall off. The memory stores up to 50 torque settings for different jobs, so you don't have to look up specifications every time. This single tool prevents warped brake rotors, blown head gaskets, and loose wheels that could cause catastrophic failure. At this price point, it pays for itself the first time you avoid a stripped oil pan bolt. Product number 2, 262-piece mechanic tool set with case. Professional mechanics typically spend over $3,000 building a tool collection like this, but here you get everything in one comprehensive set. Every socket and wrench is forged from chrome vanadium steel, which is 30% stronger than the carbon steel used in discount store tools. The set includes both metric sizes from 4mm to 32mm and standard sizes from 3/16 to 1 1/4 inch, covering everything from lawn mowers to diesel trucks. The 72-tooth ratchets only need 5 degrees of swing arcade, letting you work in spaces where other ratchets can't even fit. Quick release buttons mean you won't waste time fighting to remove sockets, and the extension bars give you reach into deep engine bays. The blow-molded case has a specific place for each tool, so you'll instantly know if something's missing. This isn't just a tool set, it's a complete automotive workshop in a portable case. Product number 3, 4K dash camera system. This military-grade dash camera records in true 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, capturing license plates clearly even at highway speeds. The Sony sensor provides exceptional night vision without any additional lighting, recording clear footage even on unlit rural roads. Built-in GPS tracks your exact location and speed, providing crucial evidence in accident disputes or traffic violations. The G-sensor automatically detects impacts and locks that footage so it can't be overwritten, even if you forget to save it manually. Wide 170-degree viewing angle covers multiple lanes of traffic plus sidewalks, catching everything happening around your vehicle. The supercapacitor power system works reliably in extreme temperatures from -40 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, unlike battery-powered units that fail in summer heat. Insurance companies often reduce premiums for drivers with dash cameras, so this literally pays for itself while protecting you from fraud. Product number 4, 20V cordless drill set with accessories. This professional contractor-grade drill features a brushless motor that delivers 35% more runtime and 20% more power than brush motors. The 2-speed transmission provides 0 to 450 RPM for delicate work or 0 to 1,500 RPM for drilling through hardwood and metal. 21 clutch settings give you precise control for driving screws without stripping heads or damaging materials. The all-metal chuck grips bit securely and won't slip under heavy load like plastic chucks do. 2 high-capacity lithium batteries mean you're never waiting for a charge. One runs while the other charges in just 60 minutes. The LED work light has 3 settings, including a spotlight mode that turns your drill into an emergency flashlight. Comes with 100 drill bits and driver bits covering every possible project from furniture assembly to deck building. Product number 5. 6-gallon wet/dry shop vacuum. This shop vacuum produces 6.5 peak horsepower of suction, enough to pick up a bowling ball or clear a clogged drain. The stainless steel tank won't rust, dent, or crack like plastic units, lasting literally decades with proper care. Patented quiet operation at only 72 decibels means you can use it without hearing protection or waking the neighbors. The fine dust filter captures particles down to 0.3 microns, including dangerous silica dust from concrete work. Converts instantly from wet to dry pickup without changing filters, saving time and money on replacement filters. The 20-foot cord and 7-foot hose give you 27 feet of reach without moving the unit or using extension cords. Includes 7 different attachments for everything from cleaning car interiors to unclogging gutters from the ground. Product number 6. 230-piece mechanics tool set. This comprehensive set includes every tool needed for professional automotive repair, all meeting or exceeding ANSI specifications. The sockets feature radius corners that grip the flat sides of fasteners, preventing the rounding that occurs with cheap sockets. Includes specialized tools like spark plug sockets, oil filter wrenches, and fan clutch wrenches that other sets skip. The ratchets use a sealed head design that keeps out dirt and moisture, maintaining smooth operation for decades. Chrome finish isn't just for looks. It resists corrosion and wipes clean easily, even after exposure to brake fluid and motor oil. The included adapters let you use impact sockets with hand ratchets and regular sockets with impact wrenches safely. Professional mechanics report these tools lasting 20-plus years of daily use in commercial shops. Product number 7. 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Kit. The impact driver in this kit delivers 1,800 inch-pounds of torque, driving 6-inch lag bolts into treated lumber without pilot holes. The drill features an all-metal transmission that won't strip gears like plastic ones do under heavy load. Both tools use the same battery platform, and the kit includes 3 batteries, so you're never without power. The impact driver's collet accepts all standard hex bits and won't let them fall out like magnetic holders do. Variable speed triggers on both tools give you surgical precision for delicate work or full power for demanding jobs. The belt clips are reversible for left or right-handed users and actually stay attached, unlike cheap clips. These tools are so reliable that many contractors warranty their work for 5 years when using them. Product number 8. Right angle drill adapter. This genius attachment converts any standard drill into a 90-degree angle drill, accessing spaces regular drills can't reach. The all-metal gear housing withstands 35 foot-pounds of torque without flexing or breaking like plastic adapters. Works with both keyed and keyless chucks from 3/8 to ½ an inch, fitting 95% of drills on the market. The magnetic bit holder keeps bits secure even when working inverted under vehicles or inside cabinets. Professional electricians and plumbers charge premium rates for having this capability because it makes impossible jobs routine. The compact head is only 2 inches tall, fitting between wall studs and inside electrical panels. This one adapter eliminates the need to buy a dedicated right angle drill that costs 5 times as much. Product number 9. Screwdriver bit set with magnetic extension. This 100-piece set includes every bit type imaginable: Phillips, flathead, Torx, hex, square, and specialty security bits most people don't know exist. The S2 steel alloy is specifically designed for impact drivers, withstanding forces that shatter standard bits. Each bit is precision machined to exact tolerances, preventing cam out that strips screw heads and damages work surfaces. The magnetic extension holder reaches screws up to 12 inches deep inside equipment without dropping them. Includes bits for iPhone repair, game consoles, and modern appliances that use tamper-resistant fasteners. The color-coded organization system helps you find the right bit instantly instead of trying multiple wrong sizes. Professional technicians say this one set replaces $300 worth of individual specialty bits. Product number 10, 200-piece socket set. This master set covers every possible size from 4 mm to 32 mm metric and 3/16 to 1/4 inch standard in regular and deep lengths. The chrome vanadium steel is heat-treated to precise hardness for maximum strength without brittleness. Large size markings are laser-etched and will never wear off like stamp numbers do after years of use. Includes crow's foot wrenches for reaching nuts behind obstacles where sockets won't fit. The universal joints allow you to work at angles up to 45 degrees while maintaining full torque. Extension bars in 5 different lengths mean you'll never need to stack unsafe combinations. This set handles everything from motorcycle repair to semi-truck maintenance without needing additional sockets. Hold up, guys. If you're still here, you're obviously serious about upgrading your garage game. Smash that subscribe button and tell me in the comments, what's the one tool you can't live without? Because what's coming next, especially item number 23, is an absolute game changer that most guys have never even heard of. Product number 11, compact mechanic tool set. This travel-sized kit packs professional-grade tools into a case small enough to fit behind your truck's seat permanently. Contains 85 essential pieces, including sockets from 8 mm to 19 mm and 5/16 to 3/4 inch for roadside repairs. The extending ratchet handle goes from 8 to 12 inches, providing extra leverage when you really need it. All tools are made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel that won't bend or break under extreme torque. The waterproof case protects tools from rust, even when stored in humid truck beds or boat compartments. Includes specialty items like a filter wrench and spark plug socket that can save you from calling expensive roadside assistance. Smart travelers keep one in each vehicle because the first use typically saves more than the entire cost. Product number 12, heavy-duty shop vacuum. This industrial-strength vacuum generates 180 CFM of airflow, literally pulling embedded dirt from concrete floors. The self-cleaning filter system uses reverse pulse technology to clear clogs automatically, eliminating expensive filter replacements. Sound dampening technology keeps operation under 78 decibels, quieter than most household vacuum cleaners despite triple the power. The crush-proof hose won't collapse when you step on it or roll equipment over it like standard hoses. Includes specialized attachments for cleaning table saw dust collection, drill press tables, and other workshop equipment safely. The drain port at the bottom lets you vacuum up water, then drain it directly into floor drains. Professional contractors often buy 3, one for the shop, one for the job site, and one backup. Product number 13, professional leather tool belt. This tool belt uses 100% full-grain leather that's 3 mm thick, the same grade used in horse saddles and motorcycle gear. The belt distributes weight across your hips using ergonomic padding, preventing the back pain common with cheap belts. 21 pockets and loops are specifically sized for common tools, keeping everything organized and instantly accessible. Double-stitched with marine-grade thread that won't rot or break even after years of sweat and weather exposure. The quick-release buckle lets you remove the entire belt instantly in emergency situations or when entering confined spaces. Steel rivets at all stress points mean this belt will outlast synthetic ones by decades, getting better with age. Professional carpenters say this belt increases productivity by 30% because tools are always within reach. Product number 14, multi-tool power kit. This kit includes a drill, circular saw, reciprocating saw, and flashlight all running on the same battery system. The hammer drill function pulverizes concrete and masonry that regular drills can't touch, perfect for anchor installation. Each tool features variable speed control for materials from delicate pine to tough pressure-treated lumber. The batteries charge from dead to full in just 45 minutes, faster than you can eat lunch. Anti-vibration technology reduces hand fatigue by 40% compared to older designs, letting you work all day comfortably. The included contractor bag has reinforced corners and base that survive years of job site abuse. Professional builders use this exact kit to frame entire houses, proving its commercial-grade durability. Product number 15, separate drill and driver kit. Having dedicated drill and driver tools means no more constant bit swapping that wastes time and wears out chucks. The drill maintains perfect hole alignment, while the driver provides consistent screw depth every time. Both tools feature 20-position clutches that prevent stripping screws in softwood or breaking them in hardwood. The brushless motors run 50% longer per charge and last 5 times longer than brush motors. LED lights on both tools have 20-second delay, staying on after you release the trigger to inspect your work. Rubber overmold grips maintain comfort even in freezing weather when other tools become painful to hold. Cabinet makers prefer this setup because it speeds up production while improving precision significantly. Product number 16, cordless string trimmer. This battery-powered trimmer starts instantly every time. No more flooding, foul plugs, or shoulder-wrenching pull starts. The brushless motor delivers power equal to 30 cubic centimeters gas trimmers while weighing 40% less for reduced fatigue. Variable speed trigger conserves battery around delicate plants, but provides full power for thick weeds and grass. The 12 to 16-inch adjustable cutting diameter lets you trim precisely around trees or cover ground quickly. One battery provides 45 minutes of continuous runtime, enough to edge most properties twice. The automatic line feed system advances line as needed without bumping, maintaining consistent cutting performance. Homeowners save $200 plus annually on gas, oil, and maintenance compared to traditional gas trimmers. Product number 17, power tool wall organizer with charging station. This heavy-gauge steel organizer transforms cluttered garages into professional workshops that would make contractors jealous. Holds up to 200 pounds of tools, including heavy items like circular saws and reciprocating saws securely. The integrated charging station provides 6 outlets specifically spaced for bulky battery chargers without blocking adjacent plugs. Adjustable hooks and shelves accommodate tools of any brand or size, future-proofing your investment. The powder-coated finish resists scratches and corrosion even in humid garages or unheated shops. Installation takes under 30 minutes with included mounting hardware that anchors securely into wall studs. Your spouse will love how this eliminates the tool pile on your workbench permanently. Product number 18, weatherproof outdoor storage box. Military-grade weatherproofing keeps contents completely dry even in hurricane conditions or snow burial. The reinforced lid supports 300 pounds, doubling as a work surface or seat when needed. Interior dimensions accommodate long-handled tools like shovels and rakes that don't fit standard storage. The 3-point locking system with padlock capability protects valuable tools from theft and curious children. UV-resistant construction prevents cracking and fading despite years of direct sunlight exposure. Molded-in handles and balance design let one person move it easily despite 75-pound capacity. Smart homeowners use these for pool equipment, grilling tools, and emergency supplies beyond just garden tools. Product number 19, 173-piece household tool set. This comprehensive kit contains every tool needed for home maintenance, furniture assembly, and basic automotive work. Includes often forgotten essentials like wire strippers, tile bits, and drywall anchors that save emergency hardware store runs. The hammer features a shock-absorbing handle that reduces vibration by 70% compared to wood handles. All screwdrivers have magnetic tips that hold screws securely even when working overhead on ceiling fixtures. The adjustable wrench opens to 1.5 inches, handling everything from sink repairs to outdoor furniture assembly. The organized case has labeled spots for each tool, teaching proper tool organization to kids and grandkids. This makes the perfect housewarming gift that young homeowners will use for decades. Product number 20, professional ratcheting wrench set. These innovative wrenches work in spaces where regular wrenches can only move 5 degrees at a time. The 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism provides smooth operation even under heavy torque loads without slipping. Box ends grip fasteners on 6 sides, applying force to flat surfaces rather than corners that round off. The 15-degree offset design gives knuckle clearance when working against flat surfaces like engine blocks. Chrome vanadium steel construction exceeds aerospace torque specifications, handling jobs that break cheaper wrenches. The mirror chrome finish cleans easily with just a rag, maintaining professional appearance after years of use. Professional mechanics reach for these first because they cut job time by up to 50%. Product number 21. Premium Gear Wrench Set. Each wrench is forged from a single piece of steel, eliminating weak points where two-piece wrenches typically fail. The precision broach box ends fit fasteners perfectly, preventing the slippage that rounds off bolt heads. Surface drive technology applies force to flat sides rather than corners, working even on partially rounded fasteners. The ergonomic beam shape provides maximum comfort during extended use while maintaining strength for high-torque applications. Sizes are laser-etched in 2 locations, so they're visible from any angle when stored. The lifetime warranty means you buy these once and pass them down through generations. Aircraft mechanics trust these wrenches on million-dollar engines where failure is an option. Product number 22. 314-piece complete mechanic set. This professional-grade collection includes specialized tools that most sets omit to cut costs, like brake tools and pulley pullers. Every tool meets or exceeds ANSI and ASME specifications, the same standards required for aviation maintenance. The quick-release ratchets use a 90-tooth design requiring only 4 degrees of arcade, working in impossibly tight spaces. Includes both 6-point and 12-point sockets because each has specific advantages for different applications. The blow-molded case survived independent testing of being run over by a 5,000-pound truck without damage. Color-coded handles on different drive sizes prevent using the wrong tool that could damage fasteners. Professional racing teams use these exact tools where seconds count and failure means losing races. Product number 23. Revolutionary Pass-Through Socket Set, the game changer. Here's the tool that changes everything. Pass-through sockets that work on any length threaded rod or bolt. Unlike regular sockets limited by depth, these ratchet over continuous threaded rod, all thread, and extra-long bolts. The ratcheting box design means no more removing and repositioning like traditional wrenches require in tight spaces. Works from either direction without flipping switches or removing the tool from the fastener completely. This one set replaces dozens of deep sockets, saving hundreds of dollars and huge amounts of toolbox space. Professional mechanics often hide these from customers because they make difficult jobs look easy. Once you experience pass-through sockets, you'll wonder how anyone works without them. Product number 24. 11-piece pass-through socket set. This expanded pass-through set covers the most common automotive and household sizes from 8 mm to 19 mm. The unique hollow design allows you to work on exhaust studs, suspension bolts, and toilet bolts without complications. Low-profile heads fit where regular socket and ratchet combinations are too tall to fit. The included extension bars work with the pass-through design, maintaining full functionality at reach. Chrome vanadium steel construction matches the strength of impact-rated sockets despite the innovative design. The organized case keeps each piece secure and visible, preventing lost tools in your toolbox. Plumbers especially love these for toilet and sink installations where regular tools don't fit. Product number 25. Reversible ratcheting combination set. These wrenches combine the speed of ratcheting with the versatility of combination wrenches in one tool. The reversing lever is recessed to prevent accidental switching while still being easily accessible. The open end features an innovative anti-slip design that grips rounded fasteners others can't turn. Slim profile heads access fasteners in recessed areas where standard ratcheting wrenches are too bulky. The comfort grip handles reduce hand fatigue by 40% during extended use on production jobs. Chrome finish resists corrosion from brake fluid, antifreeze, and other automotive chemicals that destroy cheap tools. Professional technicians say these wrenches pay for themselves on the first brake job alone. Product number 26, Complete Hex Key Set. This 31-piece set includes both metric and SAE sizes from microscopic 0.7 millimeters to massive 3/8 inch keys. Ball-end design allows working at angles up to 25 degrees, reaching fasteners straight keys can't access. The color-coded handles instantly identify metric versus standard, preventing damage from using wrong sizes. Extra-long arms provide leverage for breaking loose fasteners that have been thread-locked or corroded. The chrome vanadium steel is harder than the screws they turn, preventing wear even after thousands of uses. Includes rare sizes needed for imported equipment, bicycles, and furniture that hardware stores don't stock. The folding holder keeps all keys organized and prevents the loss that plagues loose hex keys. Product number 27, 5-Tool Combo Power Kit. All 5 tools share the same battery platform, saving hundreds on extra batteries and cluttered charger collections. The circular saw cuts 2x lumber at 45-degree bevels, something cheaper saws struggle with even straight. The reciprocating saw uses orbital action for faster cutting through wood, metal, and even cast iron pipe. The oscillating tool handles detail work like undercutting door jambs and flush cutting that other tools can't do. Combined runtime on one battery exceeds corded tool work sessions, truly cutting the cord on power. The included blades and bits are professional quality, not the cheap ones that burn out immediately. Construction crews build entire houses with this kit, proving its commercial duty reliability. Product number 28, Rotary Hammer Drill Kit. This beast drills through concrete like a hot knife through butter, making anchor installation effortless. The vibration control system reduces fatigue by 60%, letting you drill dozens of holes comfortably. 3 modes: drill only, hammer only, and combination. Handle everything from mixing mortar to chiseling tile. Accepts both SDS Plus and standard bits with included adapter, eliminating the need for multiple drills. The depth stop ensures consistent hole depth for anchors, crucial for safe structural attachments. Variable speed control prevents bit binding in rebar that destroys standard hammer drills instantly. Contractors charge premium rates for concrete work because this tool makes it look specialized. Product number 29, Professional Circular Saw. The laser guide projects a perfect cut line, eliminating crooked cuts and wasted materials forever. This electronic brake stops the blade in under 2 seconds, preventing injuries and damage when cuts are complete. Bevel adjustments lock positively at common angles and won't slip mid-cut, like cheaper saws do. The magnesium shoe weighs 50% less than aluminum while being twice as strong and warp-resistant. Powerful 15-amp motor maintains full speed through wet lumber that bogs down lesser saws. The dust port connects to shop vacuums, keeping your work area clean and your lungs healthy. Finish carpenters trust this saw for visible cuts where precision matters most. Product number 30, Modular Tool Organizer. Transform your chaotic garage into an organized workspace that looks like a professional shop. The modular design expands as your tool collection grows, protecting your investment long-term. Heavy-duty steel construction supports up to 50 pounds per section without sagging or bending. Quick install mounting system takes 20 minutes with just a drill and level. No special skills required. Adjustable dividers accommodate everything from tiny drill bits to large power tools securely. The included bins and cups keep small hardware organized and visible instead of lost in drawers. Your neighbors will think you hired a professional organizer when they see the transformation. Product number 31, Flex Head Ratcheting Wrench Set. These innovative wrenches bend up to 180 degrees, reaching fasteners that fixed wrenches simply can't access. The flex joint locks in 15 different positions, maintaining maximum torque at any angle you need. Covers both metric from 8 mm to 19 mm and standard from 5/16 to 3/4 inch for complete coverage. The 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism needs only 5 degrees of movement, working where others need 30 degrees. Surface drive plus technology grips fasteners better, working on up to 85% rounded bolts successfully. The slim profile heads fit into spaces 40% tighter than standard ratcheting wrenches allow. Automotive technicians call these their impossible job wrenches because they make the impossible routine. Product number 32, German-engineered pliers. These pliers multiply your hand strength by factor of 10 through precision engineering and leverage optimization. The cutting edges slice through grade 8 bolts like standard pliers cut picture hanging wire. Induction-hardened cutting edges stay sharp 5 times longer than standard pliers before needing replacement. The dual-component comfort grips maintain traction even when covered in oil, grease, or hydraulic fluid. Box joint construction eliminates play even after years of heavy use that destroys cheaper pliers. Special tooth geometry grips round objects without slipping, from pipes to stubborn oil filters. Professional electricians, plumbers, and mechanics consider these essential tools worth every penny. Product number 33, Precision Screwdriver Set. These screwdrivers feature tips machined to tolerances of 0.001 inches for perfect fit, preventing cam-out. The handles were designed by orthopedic specialists to maximize torque while minimizing repetitive strain injuries. Through hardened steel shanks allow using these as pry bars without bending like standard screwdrivers do. Magnetic tips rated to hold 3 pounds keep heavy screws secure, even working completely upside down. The hex bolsters let you apply wrench torque to frozen screws that hand force can't budge. Chemical-resistant handles survive exposure to brake fluid, gasoline, and solvents that melt plastic handles. Professional technicians choose these for precision work where stripped screws mean expensive component replacement. Product number 34, High-Torque Cordless Impact Wrench. This monster delivers 700 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, more than many professional pneumatic impacts produce. 3 speed settings provide control from precision assembly to maximum power for frozen bolts. The brushless motor runs cooler and lasts 10 times longer than brush motors under heavy use. Changes truck tires in minutes rather than the hour it takes with hand tools. The 1/2 inch anvil accepts all standard impact sockets without adapters or special tools needed. Battery technology maintains full power until completely dead rather than gradually weakening like older designs. Professional mechanics are selling their air compressors because this cordless impact outperforms pneumatic tools. Product number 35, Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. This powered ratchet eliminates the repetitive motion that causes tennis elbow and carpal tunnel syndrome. Variable speed trigger provides precise control from 0 to 250 RPM for different applications perfectly. The head rotates 270 degrees and locks in 9 positions for accessing fasteners at any angle. Built-in LED illuminates dark engine compartments better than headlamps that cast shadows wrong. Produces 35 foot-pounds of torque, enough for most automotive work without oversized braking fasteners. The slim profile reaches fasteners that even standard ratchets can't access in modern engines. Technicians working on flat rate pay report 30% faster job completion using electric ratchets. Product number 36, Professional Hammer Set. This 3-hammer collection covers every need from precision work to demolition without buying dozens. The framing hammer's 22-ounce head drives 16 penny nails in 3 swings, maximum consistently. Anti-vibration technology reduces shock transmission by 70%. Preventing tennis elbow and fatigue completely. The faces are specially textured to grip nail heads without slipping that causes bent nails. Hickory handles are stronger than fiberglass and more shock-absorbing than steel handles anywhere. The warranty covers complete replacement even if you break them through abuse, not just defects. These hammers built America's houses for generations and will build many more. All right, guys, there you have it. 36 game-changing tools that'll transform you from a weekend warrior to the neighborhood's go-to-fix-it legend. Every single one is on Amazon right now, and I've put all the links in the description below. But here's the thing, prices change daily, and some of these deals won't last. That digital torque wrench? It was $20 more last week. So do yourself a favor. Check out the ones that caught your eye before they jack the prices back up. And hey, if this saved you from buying the wrong tools, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Drop a comment and tell me which tool you're ordering first. I read every single comment, and your feedback helps me find even better deals for next time. Remember, fellas, the right tools don't cost money. They save money. Every repair you do yourself is cash in your pocket and pride in your heart. Until next time, keep wrenching, keep learning, and keep those garage doors open. This is your buddy reminding you, if it ain't broke, you're not trying hard enough.